Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Watch the match report between Crystal Palace and Wolves. So Wolves 2, Crystal Palace 0, and Luka Milivojevic sent off. So Crystal Palace saw a captain Luka Milivojevic dismissed late on, as they failed to defeat at Wolves in Friday night Premier League encounter. So the Serbian midfielder received his marching orders as the Palace side failed to overturn a 2-0 defeat from Wolves. So Palace, who had enjoyed their best ever start to a top-flight season, also saw a first-half penalty correctly overturned by VAR, video assistant referee. And after that, replays showed that the left-back Patrick Van was offside when he collected a pass from Wilfried Zaha. Also, Wilfried Zaha was involved in some challenges, so star man Zaha was lucky not to be sent off for a clash with Ait Nouri, but the referee had somehow calmed down the situation between two players and Zaha received only a yellow card. But Crystal Palace captain Luka Milivojevic is sent off for this nasty tackle on Wolves' Joao Moutinho, and referee Martin has checked the monitor and the Palace keeper is off. It was really high challenge, and Milivojevic cannot complain for this dangerous challenge on Wolves player, and that's why he was sent off. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Like the video and subscribe the channel for more.